Here you can see that we have done the backfilling for the construction of this box culvert. You may see the laterite was being placed at the back of me. On the other side of retaining wall as well, we have done the backfilling. You can see there. So guys, this is the beginning of our construction of box culvert. The first step is the excavation. You may see here that we are doing the excavation. We have placed the boulders. We are excavating so that we can construct the base. For the base foundation, you can see here that we have placed the wooden pegs. We are doing the surveying in order to put the levels. Where the excavator is working, that is going to be our inlet. It is the upstream, and here on my right side it would be the downstream. So you can see that we have started the concrete blending. Concrete blending has a total thickness of almost 5 to 6 centimeters. We are having total 5 cells for this particular box culvert. The total length is 14 meters. Each cell has a total width of 3 meters and height is also 3 meters. You can see that the reinforcement bars have been placed after we were through with the concrete blending. Now we are pouring concrete for the construction of base. Base has a total thickness of almost 0.35 meters or 35 centimeters. You may see here that the concrete is being poured with the help of transit mixer. The remaining part will be casted with the help of excavator. You may see here that the starter bars are kept out for the walls. Now you can see that the reinforcement bars were placed for the walls, and we have constructed already one of the wall of this culvert. The thickness of this wall is also 30 centimeters. The carpenter is working and he's placing the shuttering. You can see how the props have been placed. They are placed horizontally and have been placed as at an angle. It has to be supported from the top as well as from the bottom. As such, we had to place these props or building jacks or acro jacks so we can give support. Now here you can see that we are placing the shuttering for the other walls, for the remaining walls. The process will continue for all these walls. Here we are pouring concrete with the help of crane. You can see here. Once again, you can see at the top of this constructed culvert wall, we have kept the starter bars. These starter bars will help you to join with the reinforcement bars of the deck slab. You can see how they are projected out. They have been projected out at a length of 0.4 to 0.5 meters. Here I would like to add as well, whenever you are casting the concrete wall and the height is, like you can see here, it is 3 meters. So for these long walls or the walls which have a high depth, you have to make sure you use concrete vibrator, and the poker has to go down very well so that you won't find any honeycombing. So it is a very important aspect. You have to make sure that the uh, vibration is being done properly. So once we are through with the construction of walls, you may see here that we are arranging the deck slab shuttering. You may also see here that before we started the construction of this culvert, we had to do the diversion so the traffic can follow through the diversion. This is the outlet. You can see we have a lot of water around that culvert. So the reinforcement bars had been placed for the deck slab and the head wall. The head wall is going to have a height of 0.97 meters from the top of deck slab. So as such, the reinforcement bars have a height of 0.9 meters. In fact, it is 0.92 meters. Concrete cover is 5 centimeters. You may see here that we are pouring concrete. Here you can see that we are preparing to construct the apron and the toe beam. The toe beam has a length of 21.2 meters. Projection of this apron is 2.5 meters. You may see here that our deck slab was ready, and we place the sharp sand and we cover it so that we can be able to do the curing well. Simultaneously, here you can see we are placing the boulders for the construction of retaining wall. This our culvert is going to be connected with this old culvert with the help of retaining wall. After we are through with the base of retaining wall, you can see that the shuttering is being placed by the carpenter so that we can construct the retaining wall. On all four sides of this culvert, we are having the retaining wall. You can see the design of our retaining wall. It all depends upon the topography and how the water is going to be flowing around this area. You have to design according to all these factors. So you can see here that at the moment we are at the outlet, and here you can see we are arranging the retaining wall blinding. This is the old culvert. You can see that the reinforcement bars are there for the retaining wall, and this retaining wall will be joined together with this old culvert. You can see our retaining wall is straight, it is aligned with the other retaining wall. You can see our base as well. This is the outlet where we are having this retaining wall. You can see with the help of funnel we are pouring concrete because the funnel of this transit mixer cannot reach the retaining wall. This is the reason why carpenter formed this particular funnel, so that we can easily pour concrete. Here we are constructing the apron and the retaining walls of the old culvert. You can see our retaining wall is going to be joined together with this old culvert. Again, with the help of excavator we are pouring this concrete. The height of this retaining wall is 3 meters. So here you can see that reinforcement bars have been joined very well together with our reinforcement bars. So here you can see we have a lot of water surrounding this culvert. So as such we had to place some boulders, and we had to do the backfilling so that our excavator can reach out and we can do the casting of our concrete for the apron, retaining walls, and for the base of retaining wall. And now here you can see that we are doing the backfilling of our culvert. You can see the laterite is being placed. You may see the remaining part of this retaining wall is being uh, placed, and carpenter is working already there. Now you may see that we are pouring concrete for the base of retaining wall. Our backfilling is almost done. Once we are through, we shall open this our road for the traffic. Here you can see our retaining wall is also done, and we are placing the reinforcement bars for the head wall of culvert. You can see how it is being joined with the new culvert. Here you can see how the embankment is being done as well. We shall be doing stone pitching later on. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to write in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, goodbye.